What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, Kono Pro. Check it out. Today we're going to be raising a crazy huge beam. The beam is called an LVL beam, and that is basically an engineered beam, and it's called a Versalamp beam, basically. And we're going to be raising it up today, and we're going to be using a material lift. Basically, they call it like a pallet jack type. Pallet beam lift, they call it, but most places call it a material lift. So there it is, all right, and we put it on one side, and then we're just going to raise up one side, and then we're going to go over and get the other side situated, and then we're going to bring it over and raise up the other side, and that's how we'll do it, and that's what this video is going to show. Yeah, yay. But these material lifts are amazing. You can get them at local rental places that rent machinery. You can get at your local hardware store usually. Rent them for like $100 a day. They're pretty awesome. $7,500 a day. They're pretty cool, mobile. You can bring them up onto a second story, raise a beam. They're sweet. But I just wanted to show a video of us raising this beam because it's a pretty heavy beam. You can raise these beams many different ways, with a crane, with a boom lift. With like 10 guys, or with this killer material lift. And this is how you do it. So I already got the other side up. You saw I just sort of rocked it up. Went up a little bit, pushed it in, got up a little bit, pushed it in. So now what I'm doing is I'm running a strap around it, hanging it over my beam. It's not going to be to lift it. It's just going to sort of be to keep it from wobbling around. It's sort of a guideline rope, because I'm going to basically most of the weight is on the other side, and it cantilevers off about 3 feet on the other side right now. So I could pick it up pretty easily, and then I'll have my guy just raise it up. Because if you tried to raise it up from the bottom, it would just basically slide out from underneath. It would slide off the other side and come flying out. So you got to be careful with that. So by me lifting it up the way I did, I can put the jack underneath it, get it basically level, and then the jack will carry the load nicely without the beam wanting to slide off. So once we have all that, it's cool. This beam lift right here, it has like wheels. Once you lift it back, it gets on those pulley wheels and you can move it around. But when it's just stable like that level, it has these other little wheels that you can lock, little coasters. You can move it left, right, sideways, whatever. Once you have it in place, you can lock it if you want, or keep it moving. So what I'm doing is I'm basically lowering it where I want to, and then I run up on the other side, onto the ladder on the other side, and then I slide the beam up onto the other beam. And that's basically what I'm going to do here. And these beams are no joke. These are some big beams. Like, they're huge, and they're about 22 feet long. They're 5.5 by 12 inches wide. So they're heavy. They're no joke. And then I'm going to lower it down on the bucket. Some people might just drop it right down in the bucket. I like to lower it down nice and easy, so it doesn't hurt my welds or anything on that custom fabricated bucket that we have on that beam that it's about to drop down into. And that's how we do it. We like to keep everything nice and safe too. Everybody, make sure you be careful if you're ever trying to do something like this ever. Make sure you use safety. And of course, this is highly skilled work. I've been doing this for a long time, so it's no thing for me. But I just want to share this video with you, and there it is. Bam! That's how it looks when it's all done. All right, everybody, please subscribe, shoot us a like and a thumbs up. Kono Pro out. Peace.